Hey guys, I'm not a mathematician, but I was asked what 2 plus 2 times 2 is. And let's just say I think I figured something out. Most people will say the answer is 6. And if you say 8, someone will jump in with order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication before addition, all that. But here's the thing that started bothering me. Why? Why does multiplication go before addition? Because we decided it does. We're told math is universal logic, that it's built into the fabric of reality, that any intelligent species anywhere in the cosmos would inevitably discover the same mathematics we did. But would they? Or did we just build a rule set and then mistake it for the universe itself? Think about it. 2 plus 2 equals 2, or 2 plus 2 times 2 equals 6. Not because the universe whispered it into existence, but because humans agreed multiplication gets priority. That's a convention. It's a formatting rule. It's syntax. If we processed strictly left to right, like we read language, then 2 plus 2 times 2 would equal 8. And it wouldn't feel wrong. It would just be normal. And if we needed the answer to be 6, we'd simply write 2 times 2 plus 2. Problem solved. The math still works. The logic still works. The outcome still works. We just changed the rule order. So, when scientists say math is universal, what do they really mean? Numbers describe quantities. Sure, 2 rocks plus 2 rocks, we still have 4 rocks. But the way we structure operations, the hierarchy of symbols, the notational system, that's human. That's cultural evolution. That's design. Now imagine an alien civilization. Different senses, different cognition, different symbolic systems. Maybe they don't even process information linearly. Maybe they don't separate multiplication and addition as distinct priority levels. Maybe they develop a left to right system because it's cognitively simpler. Maybe they don't even use positional notation like we do. Would their math be wrong or just different? We assume compatibility because we assume logic itself is universal. But what if logic is a tool shaped by the minds that use it? What if mathematics is less like gravity and more like language? English isn't universal. Dutch isn't universal. Hell, binary code isn't universal. They're systems that work because users agree on the rules. Math might be the same, not arbitrary, but constructed. Refined over centuries because it's efficient for us, not because it's the only possible structure. And here's the real twist. If an alien species used a strictly left-to-right operational system, beginners might actually find it more intuitive. No hidden hierarchy, no memorized priority rules. Just processed as written. Now, would higher mathematics look different? Absolutely. Would physics collapse? Probably not. It would just be expressed differently. Because at the deepest level, math is a model. And models are human attempts to map reality. But they aren't reality itself. So next time someone says math is universal, maybe ask, is it universal? Or is it the most successful system humans have built so far? I'm not saying 2 plus 2 times 2 equals 8. I'm saying the reason it equals 6 tells us more about us than about the universe. And that's way more interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.